Hey guys, so today we're going to do present value. Yesterday we did compound interest. I hope it went okay. Today, instead of finding out what we're going to have in the future, present value looks at if this is what we want in the future, what do we need to invest today? So how much is it I need to put in the account if I want a particular amount in the future? It's especially helpful if you're planning to save money for like future education or future vacation and you have a set amount that you want to have. So all we're going to do is we're going to change the compound interest formula into a formula where we can, instead of finding the amount, find the principal. So remember the formula yesterday was A equals P 1 plus I to the N. And we did some calculations with I and N first before we used the formula. We're still going to do that today, and the same concepts apply. So we're still going to find I the same way we did yesterday, and we're still going to find N the same way. But instead of finding A, we're going to find the principal. So all we're going to do is change the formula up a bit, and it becomes A divided by 1 plus I to the N. Find I and N the same way. Best way is to see it. So I'm going to show you an example, and then you guys are going to try a bunch of practice questions. So let's say you want to save up to buy a car. You can invest an amount today at 4.5% compounded monthly for 3 years. You want to have $5,000 to purchase a car. So that's what we want to have in the future. How much should you invest today? Again, same thing. I'm going to make a list of the stuff that I highlighted and what we already know. So in this case, 5,000 is what we want in the future. So that is A. $5,000. What we're going to invest, we don't know that. That's what we're going to figure out. And again, we're going to calculate I the same way we did yesterday. So we'll take our 4.5% and it's compounded monthly. If you remember that chart from yesterday, monthly made our magic number equal to 12. So we're going to use that. In decimal form, 0.045 divided by 12. And when we calculate that, we get 0.00375. So that's the number we're going to use for I. And then N was just our years times our magic number. So 3 years times 12 months. So we get 36 total for N. Again, same. We're going to do exactly what we did yesterday. The formula is this, P equals A divided by 1 plus I to the N, and we're going to substitute our values in. 5,000, 1 plus 0.00375, and 36 is our exponent. Now remember, we want to do BEDMAS, so in this case we're going to calculate the full bottom, and then we'll divide. So I'll do all the steps for you. This becomes 1.00375 to the exponent of 36. We will then do our exponent. So that becomes 1 point. And remember I said don't round it. We got to keep all the values. 4, 7, 8, 3, 2, and then we will divide. Three, 2, and we get $4,369, 682738, and then we will round. So in this example, you can see that if I want to have $5,000 for my vacation in the future, or on my vacation to buy my car. If I want to have $5,000 to buy my car, in 3 years from now, I need to invest $4,369.68 and just let it sit in that account so that I can buy the car in 3 years. Is it great? Not entirely, but some people save this way. I also have a little funny reminder there. Don't forget to calculate your I value because that happens a lot. Have fun with the practice. It's very similar to yesterday. And then the next lesson is a kind of a research project. So there is no video lesson for that. You can kind of just go online and try to find some of the information for that. And then the assignment and the quiz. Bye, guys.